Those clouds are going up. That's so cool, the effect.
Yeah.
It's like we're underwater. Look. Is this the eye of the storm? It looks like the eye of the storm. Wow, so cool. The clouds above are moving in a weird way. See, they're like moving up. They're like being absorbed up. Do you see this cloud? Look. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah, I know. I just saw another one that was like that too.
It's so strange.
Before that, yeah, I could see the little ones. It's like it's merging with the other cloud.
Yeah, but it's not. It's like moving towards us, but also moving up.
There's an airbender amongst us.
So cool. But it's not raining.
It is.
It is.
Actually, I don't know. I thought that the roads look a bit wet, but I can't tell.
I don't think it's raining. Whoa.
It's definitely raining there.
Oh.
And that's how you can see the storm.
Damn. Yeah, now we are in the middle of the storm.
Yeah, I can tell that the tall building is wet. So much for you, Chi.
It's still not raining here. We're like right under, I think.
Oh! There was a reflection in the building in the windows.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you could see the lightning show in the windows.
It's definitely raining there, but not here. Not yet. See, like if you put the hand underneath, it's dry.
Some cars don't like the thunder.
Oh, you can see the fog, the mist, or whatever that is.
Oh, you can see the lightning reflection, so cool. Oh. Cute. Yeah, there's quite a few people standing at the balcony looking at the storm.
Oh, really?
Yeah. On the other side, they're looking down there. Oh, the crane is moving. Wow, it's operational today. Oh, maybe it's the wind.
No way. But yeah, maybe they cannot operate during a storm like this.
Shouldn't.
We're stuck right there.
Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, now you can see the rain.
Holy crap,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's insane.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go close to the window here.
That's crazy.
looks like a stone is probably.
Yeah.
You should fan that part.
Oh wow. Oh wow, I think I saw lightning there.
Oh.
Something
Spark?
like a spark or something. Yeah. But it didn't make any sound. Maybe it was just an electric fuse or I don't know.